We have talked a lot about the importance of monitoring and evaluation in projects, programs, or any interventions. We have seen how important monitoring and evaluation is to track implementation progress so as to deliver the intended results at the end. Likewise, we can equally apply the concept of monitoring and evaluation in our personal life. This video is in response to one of my subscribers who has asked for a video explaining how monitoring and evaluation can be applied in our personal life. Be it for planning our personal projects that we have in our mind or planning for some events and functions, we can equally use the concept of monitoring and evaluation and apply it to get a better result. Take for example, we have the plan to earn a master's degree or Ph.D. in one of the subjects that we are really interested in, so as to get a satisfying job. Like any other monitoring and evaluation plan, we can start by defining the ultimate result and then developing the results chain or the results statement. Results chain shows how the activities will lead to some desired results by linking activities, inputs, and results together. In our case, the ultimate goal or the end result is to get a job. But to achieve this goal, we first need to earn a degree. And to earn our degree, we need to perform a series of activities like attending university and a host of other related activities. Likewise, we also need resources like time and money to start with the activities. Speaking in technical terms or the M&E term, getting a job becomes our outcome and getting a degree becomes our output. All the tasks we perform to earn our degree are the activities, and the time, money, and other things required for attending university are the inputs. For example, the university fee, the pen, paper, book, laptop, bag, and the time we require are the inputs required for studying or carrying our activity. So we can link all of this through a results chain with the statement like, if I put in $60,000 along with other resources, then I will be able to attend university towards my desired degree. This is the input for the plan. Likewise, if I attend the university continuously and perform well, then within 2 years I will be able to earn a degree. This forms the activities where there is the need to regularly attend the university, take up all the coursework, submit assignments on time, and sit for exam, and etc. Likewise, if I perform well on all the activities, then I get the degree from the university. This forms the output. And ultimately, when I get the degree, I will be employed by some organization. This is the ultimate result of our plan. So, we can see that we can easily link our plan with inputs and activities after defining the results or the goals of our plan. And this will really help anyone better plan, organize, and track the progress in our personal life. Similarly, we can develop a results chain or a M&E plan for any other plan that we have in our mind, be it short term or long term. I hope this video helps. Thank you.